Hi there, hi boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, June the 27th, 2023. Already solved two puzzles, the 2-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles remain. The tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, it's a binary time. And this one will be number 6663. 6663. Well, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. A double O, a here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes an 1. Then double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O, double O, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between the 1s comes an O. Finished in 3 minutes, exactly 3 minutes. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I will do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle. Yeah, Sudoku with tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.